Hi, Kidible kids! Have you ever felt guilty for something that you did and didn't know how to overcome that? You may call yourself a Christian and even go to church, but when the other kids in school yell at others or use swear words, do you join them? At times like these, we actually turn our back on Jesus and deny Him as our God. We don't always live in a way that honors Christ. Even though we sin, God offers us grace, mercy, and forgiveness because He is a gracious and merciful God. There was a person in the Bible who denied Jesus, but Jesus restored him and used him mightily for His glory. His name was Peter. Learn all about this disciple of Jesus called Peter in today's devotion. Happy Kidible!